Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily find out which photos or videos are captured in portrait and landscape mode in iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Photos application. And now you can see I have tons of captured photos and videos. So in order to find out which photos and videos are captured in portrait or landscape mode, what you need to do is just click on this three horizontal lines. And now just click on this view options. Now you'll see here aspect ratio grid. Just click on it. Now you'll see here those image or video files which are showing in the vertical manner. As you can see, these are in the vertical manner. So these are portrait modes. So you can clearly see, and those image or video files which are showing in the horizontal mode. So you can see this way, the horizontal way. So these are captured in the landscape mode. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find out which photos or videos are captured in portrait and landscape mode in iPhone very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.